Hey guys, this is Noor, and in this video we are going to be talking about Genshin Impact 1 year anniversary rewards and what miHoYo might reward us in the game. But before we get into the video, a like and a subscribe would be awesome. Also check out our other videos related to Genshin Impact. I have to tell you all that all the rewards I'm going to be talking about is only going to be in my opinion, and it can change and not contain in this game. First off, the free 5-star character is coming into the game for all the players, and the timing doesn't seem to be a coincidence even though it is a collaboration with PlayStation, but later everyone will get the character. So in the 2.2 update, us getting Aloy may also be a part of the anniversary rewards because it is a 5-star character and miHoYo has never given us a free 5-star yet. Next up, there is this weird speculation going around that miHoYo might give us a full day of unlimited resin as reward for anniversary, but I don't think that it is likely we might get it, or for some hours even, because usually it takes like a minute and a half to complete the most difficult dungeon as well. So even for an hour of unlimited resin, people can farm tons of artifacts and ascension materials during the time. So it is not likely we will get the resin for free for a whole day. But what we can expect is the recharge packs to reset and give us the bonus primos which we get when we buy them for the first time. And many in the community are expecting this to happen, and I think it is totally possible that they can do a reset of Primo Gems recharge packs because it will also give the players to spend more on their game due to the bonuses, and miHoYo would definitely like to have that money. According to Genshin Intel, who gives news and leaks about Genshin Impact, quests and rewards, he said that we will be having daily login rewards and the name of the event is called Passage of Clouds and Stars. The login event will go for 7 days, and in the event we will be getting 10 Intertwined Fates, 80k Mora, 18 Mystic Enhancement Core and 8 Hero Bits. Many people are upset because they think that it is related to the anniversary rewards and miHoYo is only going to give us very less rewards when other gacha games give you a bunch of rewards for the anniversary. I would also be a little upset if these are the rewards for the anniversary and nothing else is given except these rewards, because Genshin Impact is a big game and the community do need free rewards now and then for the people to play and enjoy the game regularly, which they don't usually get in other events. And for the anniversary event, which is actually going to be a big thing for the game, it would be really nice if they could give us something more other than just these few rewards. Many people also believe that miHoYo might give us a free 5-star character out of our choosing from the standard banner. In my opinion, this is also a bad thing if they do give us a 5-star like that. It could be good if they could give us in like an event where we have to compete for the 5-star and get it as a reward. What do you guys think about the rewards for the Genshin Impact anniversary? Let us know in the comments below. And that's it for this video. Share your thoughts in the comment section down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.